Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna unpack and get the first impressions on the EMAY portable ECG monitor. It has apps for the iPhone and for your Android phone. So let's start and unpack it. It comes with some magnetic type of cover, and I already cut, the seal from the side. And now we have what here? It's a very tiny device, which is nice. So it's very portable. You can see it fits the palm of my hand very easily, right? Let's see what else comes in here. Some accessories underneath. USB, micro USB to USB charger, okay, cable, right? And a user's manual. It's a nice user's manual. Sturdy, it's not like a cheap plastic, cheap paper, I'm sorry. Also has the QR codes for the apps and some explanation on how to, how to use the device with multiple users, how to download the data for your PC, and so forth. So it's very nice user's guide. And the model is the EMG-20, okay? And I'm not sure if this is charged, if I can do this now, but I will definitely open here and get the device out. So, very nice. Has a screen here. I can just make sure you can capture this. Take the little visor protector. It's out. And there's probably a power on and off over here. Yes, hold it. Maybe there is no charge on that. Oh, those are the contacts that you hold, right? And you can hold different ways, different grips. And I think I need to charge this guy first. I'm holding for a few seconds. Oh, cool. It's here. Okay. So it actually goes this way. So it's working. I have full battery actually, which is nice. And let me touch the metal portions here. 1, 2, and 3. So I'm gonna hold here and here like this. And let's see if you can see the screen there. It should start to get my, let's see. I'm not sure if I'm doing this right. Oh yeah. You can see it's getting the pulse, right? And it's getting the ECG curve. And the good stuff, is that you don't need to use a iPhone or anything else on the side. You can have all the data from here. And again, portable, very easy to travel with. I will do some comparison later with my, iWatch, and I have the EKG function here, but I will have another recording on that. But so far, like I said, I'm not sure if I'm doing this right. I'm trying to. I didn't read any instructions yet, but you can see it's working. It has a Bluetooth capability, so yeah, probably I'm holding this wrongly, but anyway, it has the clock. You do this for 30 seconds, right? And you can see the battery scale and as well as the Bluetooth over here. Let me see if I can make this a little more visible to you. Yeah, now it's easier to see, right? You can see the device a little bit better now. Yeah, I'm not holding this properly, okay? So you need to read the, the instructions there. But that's the unboxing, and I will come back with a comparison specific. Okay, welcome back to my channel. You have seen before the unboxing of this device here, the EMAY EKG monitor. And what I found here now, it's an easy way of making that work, right? Let me make a little bit closer. So if you hold like this, that's good enough. and you can see that after 30 seconds, and there is a counter on the right corner. Then I'm probably not holding with full pressure, but you're gonna see there. So it shows the average beats per minute from your heart, date, and it gives you some, not a medical diagnostics, but at least no abnormalities were found in terms of atrial fibrillation and things like that. So this is 75, right? And I'm kind of, so let me do this now on this guy here, so we can have an idea if this is too different or not. Same 30 seconds. Another 10. And no beep on this guy yet. All right, 77 beats per minute. No, no atrial fibrillation. In other words, no abnormality. So very close. Definitely, this changes every second, right? 77 is versus 75. So everything was fine. This seems to work well. Again, very portable, right? You don't need to download the data to a PC to watch it, although you can do that to get more details. All right? Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and to select the bell so you can get notifications. Thanks again.